Have you ever choked during an important sporting event when you were expected to succeed? Um, those kinds of disasters can have a lingering impact on your future performances. I wish uh, I'd have known about emotional freedom techniques back when I was in college and high school as a record-setting pole vaulter. I had to overcome many setbacks in order to achieve my goals. But we're going to use emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping in this video to delete those malware programs that are stored in our memory files of past failures and replace them with programs for success. We're going to combine the tapping with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and imagery and visualization. We're going to start with a setup phrase. And for this purpose, we're going to use, even though I'm afraid I'll fail again, I deeply and completely accept myself. When we rub on the sore spot, which is below the collarbone in between the ribs, mash with your thumbs, pick whichever side hurts the most, and go, even though I'm afraid I'm going to fail again, I deeply and completely accept myself. 2 more times. Even though I'm afraid I'm going to fail again, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm afraid I'm going to fail again, I deeply and completely accept myself. And you take a deep breath in and out. Favorite color of confidence going in, and breathe out the color of failure. And then we're just going to tap on that short soundbite phrase, which is on your eyebrow, point, second, third fingers, just tap 5 or 6 times, hard enough to make a noise, and say, afraid I'm going to fail again. And then side of your eye, afraid I'm going to fail again. It's just like hitting the delete key on your computer to uninstall the program. Under your eye, afraid I'm going to fail again. Below your nose, afraid I'm going to fail again. On your chin, afraid I'm going to fail again. Collarbone, afraid I'm going to fail again. And you can cross over to the opposite side, which is just more convenient. Under your arm, I'm afraid I'm going to fail again. And then below your breast on the lowest rib, you can find, I'm afraid I'm going to fail again. And top of your head, I'm afraid I'm going to fail again. Deep breath in and out again. And we're going to switch hands and go into the awfulize phase where we go deeper into your belief system. So tap on the eyebrow point. I'm afraid I'm going to fail again. Side of your eye. It was a terrible disaster. Under your eye. I was so disappointed. I was supposed to win and I lost. I let my coach down. I let my teammates down. I let myself down. And I'm afraid it might happen again. And next time it might even be worse. Deep breath in and out. And then switch hands. And this is the neutralize step. We're going to go back and forth, have a little argument with yourself. So start with afraid I'm going to fail again. Side of your eye, say, that malware program is gone. I'm ready for success. Under your eye, say, that sounds easier said than done. And then under your nose, I think I'm letting go of that past failure. Chin, I'm not sure you can just tap it away. Collarbone, what if this is the roadmap to success? Under your arm, I would need some proof. Well, the only way to prove it is to do it. So I'm curious to see how successful I can be using this approach. Deep breath in and out. Now we're going to switch hands and go back to this side and focus on everything positive that you want. So we're going to say that we've deleted that malware program. Now we're putting in the program we want. I want emotional freedom now. So I'm letting go of past failures. I'm focusing on the feelings of success. I know what it feels like to be successful and achieve my goals. I can be in the zone of peak performance. Being in the flow is the avenue to success. And I know that I'm well prepared and I just need to perform up to my capabilities. And below your breast, I'm going to get out of my own way. Top of your head, and I'm going to have fun doing this. Deep breath in and out. Just keep breathing in and out. Favorite color in, failure color going out. When you feel your favorite color coming down your arms into your fingers, shake your fingers down by your side. Let it go down your legs, into your toes, wiggle your toes, stomp your feet. Just hit the reset button on your body so you're moving into that success mode. Shake out anything you need to shake out of your body. Let it all go. And once you've shaken out whatever you want to let go of, then just go to a place of relaxation where you might go on a vacation out in nature and soak up the feeling in that place. Use all your 5 senses to be there. And imagine looking down at the ground and finding a healing object you can pick up and hold in your hand. So just the first random object you see, hold it in your hand. And we're going to then just drain any of the past failures out of your body into that object. It'll be the magic recycling tool you need to let go of everything. And then return that back to the earth any way you want, and it'll be turned into compost. Now invite your healing spirit guide to come as your performance coach. It can be an angel, spirit animal, or a wise ancestor from the past, or perhaps a sporting hero who's no longer with us. So invite them to come and give you advice. Take the first one who volunteers. And ask them for words of wisdom about how to perform optimally and let go of everything in your way. Listen carefully to their advice. And then we're going to go back in a time machine to the past to rediscover one of your best performances ever. A time when it felt effortless, you're in the flow, and you had a peak performance. Go back and tap into that experience. And once you see yourself in that scene, imagine someone took a picture of that, and maybe someone actually did, and you're going to put a color around that scene that reminds you of the feeling you had of success. So what color would you put around the picture frame? And once you've got the color, breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. And put that picture up on your memory wall so you know you can tap into it anytime you need to be reminded of what success feels like. Now we're going to get back in your time machine and go to the last major failure that still haunts you. And let's rewrite that scene as if you're a Hollywood scriptwriter. So if you had managed to get yourself into the zone and the flow during that event, what would have happened? What do you wish had happened? So just rewrite that scene and imagine any different scenarios you want as to a better outcome. So once you've done that to your satisfaction, we're going to project ourselves into the future and see your upcoming sports event and see yourself succeeding beyond your wildest dreams. It's easy. You just let it flow and you get in the zone and it all magically comes together. So just see that scene happening and then see how it feels at the end when you've had that peak experience. I know some of my best poles seemed effortless when I was in the zone of peak performance. So see that happening, and then someone takes a picture of your future self performing well, and what color picture frame do you want to put around that one? What color does future success feel like? and breathe that color into your body. Put that picture up on the wall next to the one of your past success, so you know where you've been in the past and where you're going in the future. And soak up all the feelings of success in the future. And then stretch and come on back, open your eyes, and then we'll just do one more thing to get you back into that future frame of reference. It's a simple 3-step self-hypnosis technique. You squeeze your thumb and index finger together, open your eyes wide, and take a deep breath and hold it. And when you're ready, let your hand relax the whole way down. Close your eyes, blow the breath out, and go into that future picture frame of success. And when you're rehearsing for your sporting event, you can use this simple technique to get yourself mentally prepared in 3 seconds. So now it's up to you to go out and put this to good use. And you can visit my website for other blogs and videos that might be useful to you. It's larryburk.com or letmagichappen.com. And I wish you future success and tap away all the barriers to your best performance. Have fun with it.